Now, I would like to invite Dr. Swathi Mathur Garu will speak about our event a few minutes. Thank you, Swathi Garu, for coming. Okasari andaru kuda gatiga claps kottali. Everybody clap loudly for Swathi ma'am.
Hi everyone, I am Dr. Swathi from Institute of Public Enterprise. As we are partners with this program, I just wanted to talk about Institute of Public Enterprise. So I don't know how many of you all know about Institute of Public Enterprise, IPE for MBA program. Yes, yeah. So IP was a very old institution established in 1964, and from 1995, that is from last 30 years, we are into the management education. And it is a non-profit institution, so doing fully for the management graduates so that they are very well corporate employed. We have many companies coming to our institute for placement, and around more than 100 companies and more than 100 students are placed in Deloitte alone every year. So for details, you can contact our website. And basically, the program was started in 1985, and we have all programs like marketing and HR, finance, BIF, and with analytics and in all the programs. And our programs are equivalent to MBA, and are all MBA accredited, is one of the oldest institution and fully ranked among the top B schools in India and well-known ranking surveys. The institute has been recognized as a center of excellence from ICSSR, Ministry of Finance and Government. It is not only that we are into management education, we are a lot into training and research also. So it has a world-class infrastructure with 15 student clubs running different activities so that students feel at home and are fully equipped with what's going on in the corporate world. So, and we also have the summer internship programs every year. 2 months of summer internship program is there so that the students are well equipped for placement and can understand which elective they need to choose before choosing their final elective. And any questions you have about IP? Any questions? No? Okay, so anything, you can visit our IP website, that is Institute of Public Enterprise, for further details, or you can visit our stall to understand further about the program. So that is about IP.